Hello guys, and today it's me Motozilla, and I upgraded my island a little bit. I recorded, but it turns out it turned it turned out that I didn't record, so berries for food, and that's it. So I'm going to make some more bread. I have 2 chests in my house now for some more items, and let's break this one block. So yes, I upgraded the island, and like I said, uh, I think that tomorrow video will be Gang Beast 7 days in a row. 7 days in a row. I will upload this, not this video, videos because I hit 5 subscribers. I know that's like, wow, 5 subscribers, that's like nothing. But listen, it starts with 5. Maybe it can end with 1,000, or I don't know. Come. No. No. Mm. Another night. I have sheep. I need 2 iron. 2 iron for wool. So I can go to bed and sleep at night. Maybe a chicken? Chicken, no. Sorry, boys. We are not having any chicken this dinner. We are having vegan food. Sorry, boys. Another chicken! Wait a second. Chicken. Oh, I got an idea. Where is my bone meal? Nowhere. Oh, in my inventory. Maybe. No. What, am I dumb? I need seeds for chickens? Chicken. Cows. Chickens. Cows. Chicken. Too many animals. Chickens. You're getting separate enclosure? But come on! And oh, by the way, if you want me to record a video with Zanieli, I will put a link in the description for his channel. He's a great friend of mine. So we can record Roblox or whatever game together if you want. Come on. Chicken. We are having. Come on, are you dumb? Come in here. No. Seeds. Where's the second chicken? Come. Come. Yeah, come. No, wait. A little bit more. Jump! Hit the chicken. Another chicken. No! Are we... I need bigger enclosure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Chickens! Now you can come. Seriously. Yes. No. Yes. Perfect. You know what? I renamed this island to Motuzila's Island. And now I can sign things. So now I'm going to do it like this. Mm, like equals video wait than yearly widow, not widow. Like equals video wait than yearly subscribe equals gang best video Gnog beast. What is happening with my typing? Gang best video sub. If you want video with Danieli, subscribe. If you want gang beast video, no. If you want Danieli video, like. If you want gang beast video solo, subscribe. Now breed. I'm going to have a chicken farm. I had an idea. Why don't I put it like this? I need another like gate. Why like? It isn't gate. It is a gate. For if some animals go out, or I have another protectorate. Stairs for this upper layer. I'm going to flatten my roof so it's flat. What are you? You're going to die, mate. You're going to die. Some more wood. Two, three, four, and two clays. 1, 2. Beautiful. Where is going to be the next stage of one block? Seriously. Oh, another chicken. We actually don't need you right now, so we're having food tonight. We are having food tonight, boys. So now we are flattening our roof a little bit. A little bit expanding with dirt. And that's it for today's episode. Top G out!